Hi, I'm Frank. He owns property in Buffalo. Uh-oh, he just learned that a big branch fell. It's blocking the driveway. My place looks terrible. I don't know who to trust. But then he looked online and found the best solution. Us. Why? Free estimate fast, fully insured, quick removal, tree repair, stump grinding, tree pruning, tree health care, quality work guaranteed. Frank called us immediately. We fixed the problem fast. Frank is now happy again because my driveway isn't blocked, my property looks great, and I found a terrific tree service. Do you have a tree problem you want fixed fast and correctly? Just call us anytime. 716-708-1966. 716-708-1966. 716-708-1966. You'll be delighted you did.